Okay, Greg, the reel has been cleaned and polished. The only thing I need to do is to replace or fix the spacer on the right hand side. Uh, it's looks shinier in the video than it will be in real life because of the lighting and the way the video works. Anyhow, so like I say, cleaned and polished, and it works very well. The clickers still work like it did, on off. On the right hand side, of course, the spacer is broken, so you can see inside. The drag mechanism works, and actually there's 4 different detents, so 4 different positions of drag. So from light drag to very strong drag. You can take it off and it'll free spool, run free again. What else? I had a new old stock handle from the 1940s or so, a Shakespeare, and it's a perfect fit. The knobs are a little more bulbous than the ones that you had, but yours was disintegrating. Also, you had 2 unmatched end caps, and so I've replaced both of them with a pair that are very close match to each other, and they fit and it works well. So I think you'll be pretty happy with it. So the last thing I need to do is to deal with the spacer on the right hand side. So you have less than half of the spacer is present, and this is cracked in a couple of places. So my preference would be to replace it, and I've contacted a fellow in Florida that says he has one, and he promised to mail it to me, so I should have it in a couple of weeks. And what can I do? We'll just have to see if it fits, and if it does, then this thing will work a little better than it does right now. The drag button is not working perfectly well because of the way the spacer is buggered up, but we'll get it fixed. I'm fairly confident one way or the other we'll get the spacer on the right hand side. So reel's almost ready, and I'll just deal with the spacer and get back to you.